Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OFFshift token. Ticker symbol is XFT. This token is being listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the OFFshift token. XFT, like I said, is the ticker symbol. So this token is being listed today, February 14th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search XFT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, if you're looking to get this token early before it gets listed on MEXC Global, yesterday it did get listed on HOTBIT. So I do have a HOTBIT referral code down there as well. You can check it out. Same thing. It's paired with USDT on HOTBIT as well. Now, it says this will be in the spot trading pair assessment zone, 12 o'clock UTC time today. OFFshift XFT is pioneering private decentralized finance on Ethereum Layer 1. Their Twitter is listed on here. It is at OFFshift XFT. They have a details announcement page here you can check out as well. It says maximum total supply of this token is 10 million tokens. OFFshift is a pioneering private decentralized finance with an ecosystem of private DeFi applications that confer and protect various elements of privacy, anonymity, and confidentiality on Ethereum Layer 1. All OFFshift ecosystem applications are powered by the XFT token and leverage real-time price feeds for Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network to enable users to mint an array of private synthetics. Now, their official webpage is offshift.io. They have an Etherscan on here as well. Their Twitter, we already went over that. And their Telegram is at OFFshiftXFT. So you can check out their Telegram as well. According to their Etherscan, right now they have 4,798 holders and 18 decimal places on this token. Circulating supply, their market cap right now is a little bit over $25 million, and fully diluted market cap is a little bit over $35 million. Now, their official webpage, you can find blog articles on there. There's staking involved on here. There's bridging. They have media stuff, team information, join the community, light paper, white paper, documentation, like so much stuff on here. And yeah, so let's see how big this paper is here. Okay, so yeah, this looks like a pretty big web page here. Yeah, wow. Okay, so the OFFshift ecosystem, cryptocurrencies leader in on-chain privacy. Private DeFi applications have arrived. It says it's truly anonymous and you have asset ownership. So the OFFshift ecosystem supports an array of, they call it pre-fi applications that confer privacy, anonymity, and confidentiality all on Ethereum Layer 1 powered by the XFT token with asset diversity. So OFFshift leverages Chainlink oracles to support privacy for a wide array of assets and easy shifting Convert public assets into private synthetics in a single transaction with the XFT token. It's got stress-free trading, so OFFshift's proprietary shifting mechanism allows users to shift between our native token, XFT, and a full palette of private synthetics. So it's got one-to-one collateral. Over-collateralization is not capital efficient and unnecessarily limits liquidity access for users. On OFFshift, you get what you burn, dollar for dollar, sat for sat. And of course, that is short for Satoshi. Elastic supply model, so the XFT supply self-balances to account for price fluctuations, regulating margin calls and liquidations to nuances of the past. And it has zero slippage, so no order books, no liquidity concerns, zero slippage. It's that simple. Shift stress-free. It's rug pull proof DeFi, so a platform with hard-coded integrity. At OFFshift, we don't mess around with trust, we code it. Our team wallets are fully transparent, and our vesting rates are slow and graduated. So, also lock boxes. So lock boxes have been secured for on-chain reserves and liquidity pool tokens alike. So our users know rug pulling has been coded out. Now their documentation, like I mentioned, they have the OFFshift ecosystem white paper, OFFshift Anon light paper, GitLab. It says take a deep dive and get to know OFFshift inside out. And it says keep up to date and in the know with all things OFFshift as we build out our pre-fi ecosystem and release major announcements. And you can check out blog articles about that. So their blog articles are listed on here. So it has things like, so they do Ask Me Anything. So they have OFFshift January community call and pre-fi AMA recap. OFFshift Anon mainnet to launch first week of March. OFFshift Anon MPC ceremony goes live. So those are some of the examples of their blog articles. Now they have some team information on here. It says in alignment with OFFshift's ethos and commitment to privacy, our team has chosen to remain anonymous. So it looks like they're not doxxed. But come and chat with our team and leads on social channels. And so they have their partners listed on here. Looks like they are listed on CoinGecko, it says, so you can check them out on there. You can subscribe to a newsletter for updates. And there's all sorts of links at the bottom of their page. So check it out. OFFshift.io is their official webpage. And this token is listed on HOTBIT as of yesterday and will be listed on MEXC Global as of today. So check out that MEXC Global and HOTBIT Global referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token down there in the comment section? Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.